Next topic is dispersal of explosive mechanism, that is named as AUTOCHORY. So some of the fruits used to burst suddenly and throw the seeds to little distance away from the plant. So such a process is named as explosive mechanism. So here the bursting of fruits, suddenly it happens and it throws the seed to the little distance away from the plants. The merry touch of the plant causes ripened fruit to explode suddenly and seeds thrown out in the greater force. Okay, so such plants are named as dispersal taking place by means of explosive mechanism. Suddenly it taking place. So it is named as explosive mechanism. So here example you can say AUTOCHORY. It is named as AUTOCHORY. Okay. So here first impotence, that is balsam plant, and next one Hura. So here this plants causes after ripening of the fruit. The bursting of the fruit takes suddenly and throws the seeds with a great force. Okay, and next one, some of the fruits they come when came in contact with water after a rainfall or shower of rain. It burst suddenly with noise and scattered the seeds. Suddenly the bursting produces noise and scatter the seeds. Okay, so such things also will be happen in dispersal of explosive mechanism. Rulia as well as crossandra, this is கனகாம்பரம்னு சொல்லுவோம்லே அந்த பூ, ஓகேவா? And this is December, likewise flower. Okay, and next one, some of the plants long pod like structures they will be having. When they are cracking it, it produces the noisy seeds and scatter the seeds in all the directions. Such fruits also will be named as explosive mechanism. Example, Henia vehli, in English it used to say common name camel's foot climber. Camel's foot climbers. Next one, some of the fruits used to mature, and after maturity the tissues around the seeds convert into mucilaginous fluid substance. Mucilaginous means somewhat sticky nature of fluid because of high pressure, turgor pressure produced inside the fruits. Due to the pressure produced into it, it produces some of the mucilage substance and leads to the dispersal of seeds. So such a types also taking place. Ecobalium elaterium, Gyrocarpus, and next one is Dipterocarpus also. It takes place. Tissues produce mucilaginous fluid, and because of the pressure of the fluid, the disease used to disperse. Okay, and next one, human aided seed dispersal seed ball. Okay, so these are my seed balls. So here it is an ancient Japanese technique. This take place, the seeds used to mix in the clay or soil humus, that is nothing but cow dung, okay, or some other uh, natural waste materials. In that the clay is mixed and seeds also mixed and made into balls. These balls will be scattered in the ground and not planted like trees, not planting by means of uh, particular manner, gradually are scattered here in the ground level, and after that you can find this thrown of seed balls, a scattering of seed balls in the soil surface. You can find the seeds are grown, is it or not, are germinated. This is suitable for barren and degraded lands, for tree regeneration and for vegetation before monsoon period, where the suitable dispersal agent become rare. Okay, when the seeds cannot be dispersed by means of particular agents, these methods can be followed. Not only single type of seeds, many different kind of seeds can be mixed in the clay as made into balls and thrown in the ground level, and it is grown as a plants. Okay, so next here, advantages of seed dispersal. What is the use of seed dispersal means? The seeds escape from the plant, parent plant, due to predation of animals or getting diseases or avoiding competitions. and here a chance to occupy a favorable site of broods. The movement of plant genes, the self-fertilized flowers are maternally transmitted genes in the outocrossing plants. Okay. Next, seed dispersal by animals help conservation of many animals even in human altering ecosystems. The fruits or seed dispersal act as a key for proper functioning of establishment of many ecosystem and the desert to evergreen forest. From the desert to evergreen forest, these seed dispersal are having as a proper functioning to establish the ecosystem. For maintaining the biodiversity and conservation and restoration of ecosystem, this seed dispersal is very needed. Okay. Thank you.